Welcome everyone. It is day 25. Your daily challenge today is themed around connect. So we are focusing on connection. And the way that I want you to step out of your comfort zone in order to initiate this connection, I want you to have a conversation with a stranger, to introduce yourself to someone new. Ideally, this is going to happen in your day-to-day, in-person, real life. Maybe it's someone you're bumping into at work, in transit, at a coffee shop, wherever it is that you tend to go. Someone maybe that you see around but that you've never introduced yourself to, or just having a casual conversation with a stranger. Stepping out of your comfort zone and being that first person to make contact. That's the goal here. Making contact and daring to just say hi to someone that you've never said hi to. You can also do an online version of this. So if you are in our student Facebook group, connect with someone through there. Like people have been sharing their experience with this challenge and posting and sharing about themselves. See if you can make a connection there. Reach out to someone, start an authentic, honest conversation, and just get to know them. Same thing in the comments, maybe reply to someone, introduce yourself, see if you can make a friend. You don't need to become best friends. It doesn't need to be this whole crazy relationship. It can just be an introduction, learning that it's okay to introduce yourself to new people, learning that it's totally fine and fun to meet new people and to make new connections, okay? So fun little way to step out of your comfort zone and to focus on connecting, really tapping into this essence of connection, either in person, ideally, but you can also definitely do it online. Have fun with it, and I'll see you again tomorrow.